It's a simple question. Do you have a boyfriend?
If there's a Mount Rushmore for country music, he's on it. And the amazing thing is, tomorrow he'll probably be on the road again.
To kick off our tribute to the great Willie Nelson, here's Lady
Cassie? Cassie? Do you have a boyfriend? Cassie?
I don't.
You have to say it with a straight face. Do you have a boyfriend?
Huh? No, I don't.
Mm.
I almost had it.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No. Okay, you can't laugh. It's not helping me.
I'm not supposed to help you. I'm your mother. Do you have a boyfriend?
No. I seriously don't.
Cassie? Cassie?
What are you watching?
Do you have a boyfriend?
No.
Country classic era, Kenny Rogers.
One of